guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a little Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree, please check me out and subscribe. So I have been adding little by little each week to my husband's Father's Day gifts. Bought him his favorite candy, Reese's Pieces, a couple of different soaps. These have been at the Dollar Tree for a while. The Axe Clean and Fresh and Old Spice. And I thought this was kind of funny. It's a parody of the The Places You Will Go by Dr. Seuss. Originally, this is 18 bucks. My goodness. This really is for people who are just starting work in the real world. I thought he would find this amusing because it's jokes about business and social media, that kind of thing. I found one of the Yardley soaps. I'm on the hunt for the lavender. I didn't think I would like this one, but I really do because the scent is more almond than oatmeal. I like oatmeal sometimes, but almond is always a favorite. This kind of reminds me of the Jergens almond scent or the one by Crabtree and Evelyn. I have to say though, these look a lot smaller in person compared to when I saw them in hauls. Still though, a good deal for $1. And these are incense holders. I thought they were really like trinket dishes. You know, you could put your rings here, like if you're washing dishes or something. But I did try the incense part at the store, and the incense does kind of lean a little bit. You know, if you look at the center there, it's not quite straight. So by leaning, you know, the ashes will fall into the dish. That's the plan, hopefully. But yeah, I thought this was so pretty, and I'm going to add it to a little yoga meditative space that I'm making with a bunch of Dollar Tree kinds of things. If you're interested in seeing that kind of thing, let me know. Saw a bunch of makeup stuff on my last shop with me, but I only picked up this. It's the Flesh Revlon Thick Stick Foundation Shade. They had a whole bunch of different shades, even though a lot of the containers look so similar. Just look at the bottom and then hopefully you'll be able to tell. I really kind of wish though that you could see through the cap to know what color it is, but I'm kind of digging this size because I could totally see myself taking this on a trip or putting it in a little gym bag, that kind of thing. Do you guys remember back in the day when Dollar Tree used to have the Biore Strips, but they were in their own brand? I think they sold in like a package of 3 or 5. I think I still have 1 or 2 of those left under my sink, but yeah, I decided to pick this up. It's a self-heating charcoal mask, and then also the deep cleansing pore strip. I bought another one of these expanding soils. I did a review video showing it expanding with the water. If you're interested to see how it all looked, please check that out. And then thank you to this person for recommending the Old Orchard iced teas. I'm going to give these a try. I bought one of each flavor that I saw, the peach and the lemon. And I love these. These are the Life Waters. These cost between $2 and $3 at my gym. And we love reusing these water bottles just a few times. These are perfect for the bike because they fit really nicely in the holder. And I kind of like how they rotate the images. You know, they feature certain artists and they mention their names on the side. So I think that is pretty cool. Bought some jute twine to use in the garden, and I needed this, the precision screwdriver set, because I bought one of the string lights, you know, the LED string lights at the Dollar Tree, and you definitely need these itty bitty sizes to put the battery in. Bought more of these Lysol things. Now I did read a review online, like on Amazon or something, that these plastic thingies can get stuck in inside your toilet. Very, very bad if that happens. So I just want to warn you. Mine seems pretty secure, and I did warn the people in my family, so hopefully they'll keep an eye. And I did see the new little planters. I bought 2 of the 4. This is Gwendolyn, or no, not Gwendolyn, Wendolyn, like a whale, and Otto for octopus. Very, very cute. I think my daughter's really going to like those. This will be kind of like an end of school year kind of gift. We could put little plants in here. These, though, I do not believe have drainage holes. So I would use these as a co-planter if you're going to use them with real plants. And co-planter basically just means you put the plant that already is in the nursery pot within this pot. That way there is drainage. You know, you could take that pot out to water it, let the water drain out, and then put it back. So just FYI, a little gardening tip there. I saw somebody else, I think it was couponing for a cause, show that there was a different Walking Dead book, but this is the one that I found. It's The Walking Dead Invasion by Jay Bonansinga. And if you used to follow me back in the day, you know that I really like Walking Dead. It's kind of been changing over the years, but I still think it was a good series. I even used to do episode videos and commentaries, but yeah, I'm kind of excited about this. I used to read the comics and those were pretty good. So I'm hoping that these will be similar to Robert Kirkman's kind of feel. And then my favorite find of the haul is this little journal. Well, it's a week at a glance diary by Mira Lee Patel. Start where you are. Elephants are my favorite. Yay! And this is an open dated diary, so you know, you fill in the dates whenever you want to start this. And I love that throughout it has these quotes by famous people like this above all, to thine own self be true by Shakespeare. This one is, at first glance it may appear too hard, look again, always look again. So yeah, I just think that is so nice. So that is it for this little Dollar Tree haul. I am on the hunt, as I said, for the lavender yardley. I saw people hauling little travel size lotions by Crabtree and Evelyn. That's crazy to me. I think that is fantastic. So yes, I'm looking for those. If you like this video and all things Dollar Tree, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.